What's going on, guys? It is Friday night and I am living up to my name and being solitude out here because I'm just all by myself in the shop. But that is great because that means I get a lot of stuff done. And as you can see here, I got everything up on the back, kind of laid out in this similar whatever it was at the old house and everything, but in just a way bigger scale, so it looks like I got a whole lot less. But yeah, I just got it's laid out here already. Got the laptop playing some of my music up there, listening to it. And I mean, got the sub still down here. Of course, it's part with no bass, but yeah, what I want to do tonight, other than kind of finishing up that there, is I want to unbox all this stuff. I've got one of the roll around jump starts. I've got some of the ramps. I had to borrow a set of these ramps from my buddy every time I wanted to do an oil change on the car or something, so I picked that set up. And the main thing is to get that 12-ton H-frame press put together. I did a little how-to, walk through on the other A-frame press that I had, and actually still have it. I was going to sell it to get that one, but with just whatever it is, I decided to keep it. I figured this would be better for like little smaller intricate things, and then I'll have the big H-frame for the bigger ones. Because this little, if you guys are looking for this 6-ton A-frame, it's really not, it didn't do like my wheel bearings, it didn't do ball joints, stuff like that. It just didn't have enough to it. But for like little seals and bearings, like little tiny bearings and stuff in the cases and everything, if you can fit it through that opening there, it's perfect. So I'm actually going to keep that for the smaller things and still have the H-frame right here beside it. So I'll probably do like a little time lapse and everything. I don't really want to do another walk around the shop right now because it's coming together amazingly. With having this in the back here, it makes it feel like home now. It makes it feel like it's complete. I've got everything set up there within arm's reach. And yeah, so that's where we're going to get going. And let's start unboxing some of this stuff. So the first thing I want to open up is the ramps, just because it's in a big box and there's no assembly required. So how much easier can you get? I know you guys don't probably want to see a whole unboxing of all this stuff, but still a new shop, new tools, trying different camera angles, as you can see. So let me know. New table. There we go. Simple ramp. It's kind of what I expected. It looks like what it's on the box there. So good job with that. Hopefully I can trust Harbor Freight and the ramp so the car doesn't fall on me. But it should do good. Other than that, it's going to be a little ramp for my son. But there you go. Put those up on the shelf and we'll be able to use them again. Next thing is the roll around charger. I had one of these at my dad's house when I was younger and I loved it. I didn't really have room for it in the shop, obviously, so one of the first things I wanted to get was that. Picked it up, of course, again at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight is one of those things where the tools really are, they're getting good. I mean, it depends what you get. Yeah, if you get the Pittsburgh brand, some of their smaller things, you can just look at it and tell that it's cheap. Other things, I'm gonna take the risk. I mean, I'm just gonna do it. It's worth it. They're good parts. It's kind of like CowTrick on eBay, Some people are ashamed to say that they use them. The other people that do use them love the savings and they love the deals they get, and I'm one of those guys. I mean, I don't need the best. I don't need the best. I need it to do his job and get me through what I need to do. So 12 volts is 12 volts. It's gonna do it. Some assembly required on this one, got the wheels and everything. So starting from this point on, it will probably be a little time lapse on this stupid cart so you can see the end of it. All right, so got the handle wheels and the mount put on there. Real simple, other than they tell you to take out the top two screws on the side here to mount the handle, which they got these other holes right here. Don't know what those are for, but yeah, my other one it's not in the right spot where they tell you to. So let's go ahead and hook it up. Let me grab an extension cord. It's right here, got it. My other drop down already coming in handy. Where's the power cord? Plug it in and see, because the display on this is supposed to be like high tech. There you go. Those are your volts. You can set it to 6 volt 2 amp, 12 volt 2 amp. The starter boost, trickle chargers, engine start and stop. So it's got it all, just as much. I compared it kind of to the other ones, and this one just does what it needs to do. And can't wait to try it out on a dead battery. Probably nothing else. I'll probably just use it on batteries, but we'll see. And for how heavy that box was, it doesn't look like many parts, but this should be everything. The box was pretty torn up. Let's see here, but there's a lot of weight in there for such a flimsy box. So either go by that picture, go by the directions, or just wing it. And I think I'm gonna do all three. So let's get to it. Okay, and just like that, everything is done. That H-frame was a whole lot easier to put together, I think, than the A-frame right here, just due to its simplicity. So I'm excited to see what all I can actually use a press for now, because like I said, that smaller one just wasn't cutting it. Overall, I'm impressed with it. It's sturdy. I mean, it's going to do its job perfectly. If you guys liked that video, the way it was set up, the way it was, I'm just trying something new. All I did was put the camera mount onto my air chuck there, and that way I can drop it down and move it up and down to my angle view, and I was just charging it there with that drop down power cord. There's a whole lot more options here, obviously, from the previous videos, and I had a lot of fun making it, just trying different things. And if you liked it, thumbs up it, leave a comment what you guys would like to see, kind of compared to what's been put out there. Obviously, I have a lot more options to give with this shop. As you can see, I was using my power tools actually. I don't even have any air tools yet. They're coming, and because obviously no one's sleeping in the wall behind me. So like I said, if you guys liked it, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, what you want to see, and we'll just go from there. So yeah, thank y'all very, very much for watching, and a lot more coming. I'm already having fun, and I'm not even set up fully yet. Thank y'all.